reaching out to find the glory, willing to let their sacred hearts unfurl. Some have fallen on the way, broken dreams and broken hearts, tears of hope and tears of anguish, wishing they could find a better start. If we could be a beacon in the night, to shine a light for souls that think they've lost their sight, then we could raise our hands up to the sky and give them a hope to see every woman, man and child smile. So be the friend someone can count on. Don't wait too long, let's start today. Hold a candle for the lost ones, where there is love, we will make our way. If we could be a beacon in the night, to shine a light for souls that think they've lost their sight, then we could raise our hands up to the sky and give them a hope to see every woman, man and child smile. And there's something in nothing when we learn to give it everything we have. And there's a way home when we look beyond ourselves. Don't give up hope. Be the path that changes lives, changes lives. If we could be a beacon in the night, to shine a light for souls that think they've lost their sight, then we can raise our hands up to the sky and give them a hope to see every woman, man and child. If we could be a beacon in the night, to shine a light for souls that think they've lost their sight, then we can raise our hands up to the sky and give them a hope to see every woman, man and child smile.